Yeah, I'm from LA, but I bring the Bay out.
What's going on? Welcome to my channel. My name is Angela. You might know me as Koala Puffs, and a little while ago, my Koala Puffs YouTube channel got deleted, so I figured one door is closed. Let's open another one. So I'm doing what I've been wanting to do for a while now, and we are right here on my travel channel. I started a travel channel. I'm so excited. So from now on, you and I will be going on little getaways to discover some fun little things, from spending more money than we should to trying to do it as on a budget as possibly possible. Welcome to the very first trip of the channel. Let's go.
And my whip look like a Mad Max, Mad Black, and my fit look like a flashback.
Here is how much the Airbnb cost overall. We tried to look for an affordable Airbnb, but also really, really cute. That hot air balloon experience was about $200 for the whole thing.
Whip look like a Mad Max, Mad Black, and my fit look like a flashback. Class act, and yeah, I just want a fast act. Blackjack, all my friends look like the Rat Pack, and my whip look like a Mad Max, Mad Black, and my fit look like a flashback. Class act, and yeah, I just want a fast act. Blackjack, all my friends look like the Rat Pack.
I'm going to list the links for every activity that I do, the Airbnbs, the restaurants below in the description. So if you're coming to Palm Springs or live in Palm Springs and want to experience anything that we're doing here today, you can definitely do that. Make sure to thumb up if you're enjoying this so far. Subscribe because this is a brand new channel. Okay. Ooh. Sunnyland's closed due to certain. What? Maybe this isn't it. This maybe must not be it. Is this it? Are you kidding me? Is this closed?
This is Wednesday, Sunday, 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Bye. It's Tuesday. So tomorrow we'll go to this after our hot air balloon. We are going to the Passenger. I hope it's open. Excuse me, do you know how to get to the maze? You don't? Okay. I know I don't either. I'm finding things on Google. Well, when I find it, I'll come let you know. Have a good day. Oh, I found it. I found it. I found it. This is the Desert X art installation. Let's go check it out. Come on. Now, if you're planning on visiting Palm Springs or you live around here, remember this is free. You can just go on a little date night or just go do something alone. You know? The Passenger is an arrow tip shaped maze inspired by the trope of the journey that for generations has been closely bound to stories of the desert. The necessity to move from one place to another has shaped a shared experience across cultures. Like, why am I always sitting at home on the couch when there's shit like this around? Oh my God. If you're in Los Angeles, you don't have to stay out here. We're just making a whole trip out of it, you and I. You could just drive out here, check it out, do the exhibit, and then drive back home. Completely free, just gas. And maybe a snack and some water. To the Jackrabbit house we go. Come on. I forgot what I was gonna say. All right, it says inside the cabin, a woman's voice that of Catherine Van Peterson, who chronicled her 1950s homesteading experience for Desert Magazine, is heard as part of the Outerscape collaboration between the artist, Georgia-based musician, artist, author Jim White, and fellow Georgia singer-songwriter Claire Campbell. I think it's time to go eat something, and then maybe we could check out one or two more things before going back to relax at the Airbnb. But let's go fill our bellies. Yeah. In general, Desert X is just started in 2017. They're trying to put emphasis on a lot of international artists, and all of their art has to be survivable in the desert conditions.
Look like a Mad Max, Mad Black, and my fit look like a flashback.
Casa Blanca restaurant has really good ratings and has a lot of them, so let's just go there. It's right down the street. There's outdoor seating. Yeah. How is one supposed to pick?
Look like a Mad Max, Mad Black, and my fit look like a flashback. Class act, and yeah, I just want a fast act. Blackjack, all my friends look like the Rat Pack, and my whip look like a Mad Max, Mad Black.
Let's get it. Can I just say something? I have to pee so bad. Oh my God, it smells so bad in there.
Whip look like a Mad Max, Mad Black, and my fit look like a flashback. Class act, and yeah, I just want a fast act. Blackjack, all my friends look like the Rat Pack.
deep breath. In and out. We're gonna take another breath. Ready? In and out. One more, say it in your mind. I cannot tell you how peaceful I feel right now with the wind blowing, with the rain drizzling, with the sun shining, and being the only ones up here right now. This is amazing. Life is beautiful. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Oh, to be honest with you, I am exhausted. But this is a lot of fun. We're gonna change outfits. We're gonna go to a speakeasy. We're gonna get some drinks. We're gonna get some appetizers, and we're gonna have a grand time. Ready? I've been to one speakeasy before, but it wasn't really a speakeasy. You just entered through the back. I feel like a speakeasy is you gotta be like a store or like a restaurant or something, then just crawl in through something weird. You know, like a refrigerator. Curious question though, do you just like walk up to a speakeasy and ask them where the speakeasy is and if you can go in there? Or do you just like walk in? Are you supposed to act like you don't know about it? How does this shit work?
Look like a Mad Max, Mad Black, and my fit look like a flashback. Class acting, yeah, I just want a fast start.
Hello and welcome to our wonderful flight today. We're actually not gonna be going anywhere. Come on in and check it out first. We got the bar in case you really want to get a little swifty with it. Once you move forward, come, don't be shy. We got first class, as you see, very rich folks sitting over here, okay? Look at this. Suitcases up, tiny airplanes, clouds in the sky. Every single window is a different theme. The table is a wing. There's drinks, there's food. This is so amazing. Almost midnight. To a text message. Balloon flight is canceled. Call to reschedule. Thank you. I know I was nervous for this, but I'm actually pretty bummed. This is the whole reason why we drove out here. Maybe I wasn't supposed to be in that hot air balloon ride. That's the way that I'm gonna go about looking at it. 5:24 in the morning right now. I'm gonna go get a little stoned in the car and go back to sleep, and then we'll figure it out in a few hours. Okay, I am getting ready right now and got a text that this is where we should go to book up some ATVs.
Oh my god.
Did you just break it?
It just like slipped off.
Wow.
Oh, I guess it's gonna cost me some money.
It look like a Mad Max, Mad Black, and my fit look like a flashback. Class acting, yeah, I just want a fast.
Listen, the thing is, like, shit happens. Let's just book an ATV and continue going with a great day. I made a new reservation on Open Table at this place called Cibon. Cibon. Could get some Belgian waffles, meat lover skillet. I added some feta cheese and bell peppers to it. Got a little piece of bread, some potatoes. This is blueberry ricotta cheese pancake. And then we got some Belgian waffles.
It look like a Mad Max, Mad Black, and my fit look like a flashback. Class acting, yeah, I just want a fast start. Blackjack, all my friends look like the rap.
As you might recall, yesterday I tried to go to the gardens. That was not working out. So we're gonna go do that right now because it's Wednesday. They are open Wednesday to Sunday. I forgot it was not Wednesday yesterday, so we're gonna go check it out right now. And then ATV. Wow, it's open! What do you know? If you come on a day when it's open, it's gonna be open. What? Ooh, I am out of breath. It is so warm. My eyebrows are sweating or collecting sweat. I'm not sure. We have to haul our ass to the ATV park because it's like an hour away and I don't want to miss this. So let's go.
First, it's important to be aware that we are in the state park, and it's a privilege to be here.
We gotta watch this video so we know what we're doing. Do this. This one's mine. Welcome to my ride. Let's get it.
It's not a game, why you playing with me? You could double back and you can rack trying to hang with me. It must be in my face, something you can't tame, cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the Please excuse me, Your Honor.
Alright. Are you having fun? I'm honestly having a blast. Fuck the hot air balloon. These are pretty sturdy, and if anything worst case scenario happens, there's a frame around you. So if anything flips over, it's nice and strong. You just gotta keep your legs and feet in the vehicle, make sure not to stick anything out, but we're good. You're good. I'm just repeating what the video told me before we came here, so I seem more educated. Yo, that was so much fun. Honestly, I don't even care about the hot air balloon ride anymore, even though I keep mentioning it. That was so much fucking fun. I think the most speed we hit was 35, 40 an hour. That wasn't even that fast. Sand is everywhere. Do not wear your favorite clothes. Definitely, like, I'm glad I wore pants, because if I wore shorts, I feel like rocks and everything would have just been hitting my knees and my legs and stuff. I'm hot as fuck, but in the car now with AC on. We gotta go charge up the car, maybe grab some snacks, and head our way home. This is a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed this very first episode of my travel channel. I had so much fun, so I'm just gonna keep doing things like this so I can maintain being happy. That's pretty much it. That's all I got for you. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to continue watching what I will keep uploading on this channel. If you guys would like to follow me on Instagram where I post daily, here it is, my personal and my koala post page. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I hope you are as hyped as I am. I don't know why I'm yelling. I hope you have an amazing day!